Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wongi, aka Kesia Wongi. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you so much for visiting this channel. And also, I'm just going to get right into the video. So today I'm just going to show you how I achieved this look, or how I made this Ankara or Chitenge bucket cap, which is also known as Cabo Velo. In my local Zambian language, we usually call it as Cabo Velo. So I just used two different materials of Ankara, which is Chitenge material. So I used one outside and the other one. So this means that it is a reversible cape, so you can wear it inside out. Isn't that interesting? So I got inspiration from some photos that I saw online, which will be right here. So I'll just insert them right here. So I'll get into this video. If you do like videos like this, do not forget to subscribe, guys. Like, wouldn't you want to see this face more often and get to have more DIYs? I don't think so. So we're just going to get right into a video, and I'm going to get into detail on how I achieved this beautiful cape. As you can see, it has these lines here, which gives it more detail and a bit of more life. So I'm just going to show you how it looks in the other material, because it's a reversible cape, so you can wear it in this pattern. And also we do have another pattern which I'm just going to show you right now. So this is the other pattern, which is the second pattern. I think I like this one more because the pattern is just to die for. So we're just going to get right into a video. I'm going to show you step by step on how I achieved, or how I made this little capey, a cabo velo. Guys, mukazi cabo velo, so spanga mukazi so we're just going to get right into a video, and voila.
Wanna get some truth for there, baby, I just need to say. See, I've been around the world and I know a lot of niggas like you.
So this is the material that I use, a very beautiful print. It's an Ankara or Chitenge material. It's a Ghanaian print. It has got a very African touch with it, and I like the yellow, the red, the black and the green. I felt this was what was the best material that I could use to make the cape. And here I had the templates with me that I used to cut out in the material. So firstly, that's the top part, and that's the middle part, and that's the bottom part. So the middle part was about 6 inches long and 3 inches wide. So 6 inches long and 3 inches wide, and the bottom part was about 8 inches long and about 2.5 inches wide, and that was our circle for the top part of our hat. These were the pieces that I just cut out of the material using the same templates that I had. So as you can see, I had 2 pieces of each. So one for the inside part and one for the outside part, because our hat was going to be reversible. As you can see, I had 2 pairs of each part. So the bottom part had 2 pairs for the inside part, and also for the outside part it had 2 pairs, as you can see. So let's just get into the video and get into detail. So the other thing I needed was this stiffener. So the stiffener is basically a fabric that helps the hat to be a bit stiff and hard, so that it doesn't get easily worn out. So it makes the hat have a bit of shape. So this is the material that I used to stiffen the hat, and I just ironed it on the material. And after ironing it, you just have to cut it out, so that the material can also be stiffened and it cannot easily just bend. So after cutting this part out, I just went on to just put everything in the stiffener. As you can see, all the parts, I was just putting them together, and I just went off camera to just do them, and this was what I came up with. They were all stiffened together, and it just made the whole hat to have a lot more shape, because the inside part did not have any stiffener, so the outside part had to get the stiffener on it, as you can see. So I was just putting the parts together. As you can see, I took everything to the sewing machine. And as always, I just went in with the pins to just put everything in place. Yeah, as you know, pins just make everything work and put all the places in a much neater place. So I put all the good sides together for the bottom and the middle part of the hat. So the good parts were outside and the bad parts were inside. So I just pinned everything up and just joined in where I had put the pins. As you can see, I just pinned everything up. I make sure I put the top part and all the parts were together, and you can see that the cape was even coming to life even before I could sew all the parts together. So that's the top part, which is the sequel that we had, and as you can see, the hat was coming to life even before I could sew all the parts together. And I just went in to do the same thing that I did with the other part. So I just joined the two parts together, the bottom part and the middle part. And also I just went in also to just pin everything up, to just put them in place, so that as we took them to the sewing machine, we would not have difficulty to control where we wanted to sew. So this was our inside part after just sewing everything together. As you can see, the heart was now alive and well, and also the other part for the outside part was alive and well after sewing everything, as you can see. So I just turned everything inside out to make sure that the shape was right and we were doing the right thing. And after this, what I did was just to put the pieces together, and I turned the pieces inside out so that we could go ahead and attach them and sew them together. And I just went to make sure that all the seams were aligned. So where the inside seam was and where the outside seam was, I make sure that I aligned them together so that the heart would just look neat, and I went in also to just pin it up, as you can see, because pinning is the basic principle of sewing so that you can have it neat and everything should look fresh as usual. Yeah. And as you can see there, I left that hole so that we can leave some space to turn everything inside out. And I just went in with the sewing machine to make sure that everything And always just remember that you have to end your sewing with a back stitch so that everything just doesn't come back running to you, and yeah, it just makes your work more neat. You will always finish with a back stitch there, and the space that we left there, just to make sure that we'll be able to turn the heart inside out. So I just went in also to iron all the wrinkles to make sure that the heart had good shape. As you can see, I just went in with the iron to iron out all the wrinkles and just put everything in place so that it has some good shape. Was our final thing. As you can see, I just put some lines there in order to give it more life and for it to look more the beautiful thing, like when it turned inside out. The fabric was just amazing. I like this fabric, like the yellow both inside out is just something that you can wear on all black and still just look stylish. Yeah, so this was the final look of our heart.
Yeah, so as you can see, this was the final product of our tutorial. So I just put these lines in order to give it more shape and also to just give it more life so that it can look chic and a bit professional. These things, it should look a bit professional. Yeah, so if you do like these videos, please share, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button right now. Everything I'm talking about is right here. The red button is for subscribe. The little bell that you're seeing is the notification button, so just click on it and you'll be able to get a notification each time I post a video. And also you can like and comment also how you like this video, and also if you are inspired to make a cape like this, which is a cabot or a bucket cape, or you can also tell me the other names that other people use to call this cape. You can tell me what you call it in your local language. Yeah, I'd like to get that feedback. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And yeah, if you would like to see more videos, I have another video that I just posted, which is a DIY crop top from a shirt. So if you want to see that video, you should just click on that video and you'll be able to see how we achieved that look. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Goodbye. Time to sleep.